Let's set up your Haven lighting system using your iOS device. Make sure you download our free app and install it to your device. You also need to hook up your controller. This will work for our Wi-Fi Duos and Minis, our 9 series transformer, and our Stratus transformer. Let's get started. Open the app, go to the menu at the top corner, and tap Add Devices. A default home location is already set up for you. You can create a new location if you wish. Tap Next. Now you will need to go to the Wi-Fi settings of your device and connect to your controller's network. It should look something like this. Go back to the app and you will see this check mark. This means you are ready to proceed. Tap Next and select your Wi-Fi network from this list. Put in your password if need be. Now tap Register. Tap Done and you're all set up. For more information, check out our website at havenlighting.com or check out more videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.